Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and this is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video of the month. This month we made the Winter Soldier Paracord bracelet by Cetus550. We're doing something a bit simpler this time, and this one did just fine. So the Winter Soldier is of course a reference to the Winter Soldier, aka Bucky from Captain America, and I think this really does quite represent his aesthetic. Kinda does look like his metal arm and got those red accents as well. And this one looks quite awesome, and it's not super thick and chunky, so it's very comfortable on the wrist. So anyhow, a huge thank you to all my current Patreon members, and for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. And for the super low price of $3 per month, you can get access to a wealth of exclusive tutorial videos and our Weavers of Eternity exclusive Discord, where we hang out and share our work. If you've been enjoying the content on this channel and want to support the channel directly, link to my Patreon page is in the video and description box down below. I thank you for even considering. And for those already supporting, thank you all so very much. I'll see you on the other side.